Hey, to perform factory reset of your Realme GT 6, first of all, you will have to just simply open the settings. Then you will have to scroll all the way down and you will have to open additional settings. Now, you will have to keep scrolling and you will have to go into the backup and the reset. Then go to the reset the phone. And now remember that this process removes everything from your smartphone. So be sure that you actually save your favorite photos, you transfer them, or you remove the SIM card from the phone, or simply perform the backup. Then you have to click to erase all data, select erase data, and now click on it one more time. Of course, I'm not want to do this right now. I'm just showing you how to do this. And by the way, it will actually take some time. So it actually depends of how many data you had on your phone. Like if you have almost full storage, it will take even like 10 or 15 minutes. But if your phone is almost brand new, but there's some kind of the issue that you try to fix, it actually may take like 2 or 3 minutes. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.